Woke up to the cold sky painted gray. Memories of yesterday still won't fade away. The wind keeps calling, telling me to hide, but I can't stay down, I won't run from the tide. Do whatever it takes to outrun the storm. Do whatever it takes to outrun the rain. When the hurt comes, I feel the pain, so I gotta face that storm and dance in the rain. Shadows creeping, trying to stake their claim. Every step forward feels the weight of the same. I've tried to outrun it, I've tried to escape, but now I see the choice, it's time to reshape. I've walked through shadows,